The next question from the female side, it's in Arabic. تسأل عن الطرق التغلب على التوترات النفسية والتفكير الزائد.
Now, asking about how to overpower stress and overthinking. This requires a lecture. It's not a one size that fits all. What causes your stress differs, and how to deal with it is different. Overthinking is shaitan. It's equivalent and equals shaitan. This is one of the strongest weapons and tools of shaitan of messing up your life. It starts with, did I wash my hand or not? Maybe I didn't wash it in wudu. My salah is not valid. Allah will put me in hell. I'm with the kuffar. Ya akhi, wait. What are you doing? Overthinking. Making a very small thing something that is too huge that will kill you. And it ends up in overthinking. I'm a kafir, I'm a mushrik. I must have smiled when someone said this. There was a man sitting on the ground and I laughed at him. Then I remembered that the Prophet used to sit on the ground. So I committed kufr, Sheikh. And they come to me. I'm good for the business because they come for counseling session and they pay. So I'm happy. But the things you hear is so ridiculous that, wallahi, they come to me like this. Sheikh, there was a man sitting on the ground and I made fun of him. But then I remembered that the Prophet used to sit on the ground. So I thought I must have committed kufr. And I have a wife and 3 children. So are my children born out of wedlock? Because my marriage is, wallahi, don't laugh. It is laughable, but wallahi, I get tens of this every week, not every month. Tens. And they are crying, weeping. And this burns me out, to tell you the truth. Well, my wife comes and says, khalas, no more counseling. Because I'm shouting, I'm reacting, I'm sometimes so depressed. They're weeping, they're crying, they're thinking that their life is over. And you know me, I'm very diplomatic. Are you stupid? And I start shouting and my wife comes from the end of the house. Hey, calm down. I said, I can't calm down. I am calm. Who's telling you I'm stressed? No, you're shouting. I said, no, I'm not, calm down. What are you doing? And I start shouting at them. Of course, alhamdulillah, they recover, but it burns me out. So don't laugh. This is how overthinking kills you. So if you don't have the appropriate ways and to open your eyes and to see shaitan and to have good companions to advise you, you will be doomed in no time. You will come to me, inshallah.